Thank you for new subscribers. I am on my way to the gym. It's Saturday. I really don't feel like go today. I've been training extremely hard. Basically every day grind. 3-4 hours training sessions. I actually enjoy it, but what I was gonna talk about today was that your feelings shouldn't affect your daily habits. I've learned this when I was a kid, because when I started playing ice hockey I had to wake up like twice a week around 4 in the morning to go to another town for training before school, and after school I just went back home and then had another training evening, and I've been doing this maybe like 10 years. So I'm used to this grind, and even in my 40s I'm still gonna keep the formula the same, and I don't care how I feel. I'm still following this routine, and obviously I have more time than most of the 40 years old people, because I just chose to put all the energy on myself instead of chasing, you know, women and fucking socializing and all this. I've been through all, and I just realized that the best thing for my lifestyle is just to keep it simple, focus on myself, and try to lead by example, live with purpose. And I think I found my purpose with YouTube. After I retired, I always been into fitness and healthy lifestyle, but I fall for this trap of flexing and going clubbing, and it never ended up well with me. And I think I finally realized what's real purpose of my life, and that's why I created this YouTube channel, just to share my journey, my experience, and my passion for fitness, and to motivate others, so motivate youngsters to get on the right track, help men who are like my age, because most of the guys, they might feel a little bit stuck, and like they feel like their life is over, and you know, they have all these fucking issues, not only with fitness but with mindset, breakups, and all the things. No bullshit, no fake flexing, and just, you know, all life experience, my knowledge, my expertise, and passion for life. So if this channel resonates with you, I will be very glad if you subscribe and you support me on my journey. And in return, I promise you I will do my best to help you deal with anything and become best version of yourself. Okay, enough talking. I gotta run to the gym. It's like 2 miles, and then see you later. Have a good weekend. Let's go.